2022 NADA Sustainable Development Goal Champion Award for improving the lives of farmers, indigenous peoples, youth, and the marginalized. The Zero Billing Program benefited over 100,000 indigent patients in the 3 provincial hospitals and healthcare institutions in the region. He implemented over 8 billion pesos infrastructure projects, including the ones left unfinished by his predecessor. He expanded the road network that facilitated better delivery of services in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas, which substantially helped solve the insurgency problem in the province. He launched the Canal and River Desalting Program, which significantly reduced widespread flooding that saved the province hundreds of millions of pesos annually.
Welcome to Vlogger.
The province posted the lowest poverty incidence in the Davao region.
Vlogger sir, si Biyahilot.
He allocated over
Sa YouTube kag Facebook.
Distribution of food assistance to over 360
Wala siya kanang
families.
sa YouTube, Facebook na da.
System, which bagged the best of COVID-19 pandemic
Biyahilot.
during the
Biyahilot channel.
Biyahilot channel. Ano po yan?
His relentless effort in improving service delivery in geographically isolated and disadvantaged areas effectively convinced about 5,000 NPA combatants and national Bayan members to surrender.
Biyahilot channel ma'am sa YouTube. Vlogger.
These former rebels hail from other provinces who were enticed by his generosity and hospitality. With the dismantling of the main guerrilla fronts in the province, Davao del Norte was declared as an insurgency-free and ready for further developing province in 2022. With the help of his 200 million pesos Provincial Ecotourism Development Program, the once dreaded NPA terrorist strongholds were transformed into flourishing tourism destinations.
Ma'am, ano mo sa YouTube ma'am?
Has provided
YouTube
financial
channel.
assistance to 689 former rebels who surrendered in Davao del Norte under the Enhanced Comprehensive Integration Program. The provincial
YouTube. Ando na kayo.
Happy House, designed to facilitate the de-radicalization program for the former rebels and prepare their reintegration into the mainstream of society. This amazing leader pushed for the rescue operation over 160 tribal families, including 19 minors who were holed up
YouTube channel
Mississippi
sa YouTube, Facebook.
They were integrated back to their communities in
Balinana mo dito ma'am.
towns and provided with cash, food, shelter, and livelihood assistance. He also lobbied funds to establish the Children in Situations of Armed Conflict Center that provides shelter, psychosocial care, medical services, educational needs, and other essentials to the 13 other children rescued from leftist groups in CDC last February 2021.
Sir, welcome sa vlog. Sa YouTube, Facebook. Bali, vlogger ma'am, vlogger.
The initial real tribal housing project for the lost tribe of Sierra community that was
Taas.
Thank you po.
for over 5 decades since their old place was used by the CBD
Vlog mo lang. Anak ko lang vlog ni Titi Bay.
help coordinate the delivery of essential government services to the previous obscure village with military helicopters before finding a suitable and more accessible location site in City Mandon or Megapitan, Cavite. His leadership has faced extreme
Mamo, para makakita po mo sa YouTube.
political conflicts. Among his fiercest battles was the relentless pursuit of a quality, reliable, and affordable power supply, an enduring dream of the people
YouTube
of
channel.
Davao del Norte. Undeterred by adversity, his commitment to justice and serving the underprivileged never wavered. He led Davao del Norte to unprecedented progress. He Position earned province numerous awards, including the 2022, 2023, and 2024 Most Able and Sustainable Province. 2021 Best in Government COVID-19 Pandemic Response. 2019, 2022, 2023, and 2024 Seal of Good Local Governance. 2022, 2023, and 2024 Seal of Good Financial Housekeeping. 2022, 2023, and 2024 NBRRMC Beyond Compliant Gawad Kabisado Award. 2018 Most Business-Friendly Province in the Philippines. 2020, 2021, and 2023 Second